Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome to my YouTube channel Harry and Once. So today I am going a long drive to going to the Malaysia, and this is my friends, and the other friends is sitting in front because he like to make the view for the front of this is our driver. And today we have a plan to go somewhere special and very nice place. It's amazing in Malaysia. So we have plan to go in Petronas Tower. We call them Twin Tower, and where I stay from there, it's very far. Maybe it's take 1 hour, 1.5 hour, something like this. 1 hour 15 minutes or 20 minutes something. So we book a taxi, and this taxi driver, he was from Korea, and he said that he stay here for a long time, like 10 years he stay here, and this is their personal car. So this is a nice guy, so we borrow this car and we are going head to Kuala Lumpur. Actually that building is famous for this Petronas Tower. It's a twin tower. It's 88 levels there in that building, and it's very famous in I think it's famous in the world also about that one. And that is a amazing building. So now finally it's after a few minutes we're gonna be reach there. It's a town. See, it's very nice town in Malaysia. Here they make many small towers, like a pencil tower, and then there's another one is which tower is that one? KL Tower. And but if you have if you want to go inside this twin tower in Petronas Tower, you need to book from 9 o'clock from the morning to the evening 9 o'clock. It's gonna be closed. So morning 9. Actually this one is the building of oil company. Like this one is the oil company. So this one they open this one for, if you want to visit from inside you need to go, but you need to buy your tickets. So better that you can buy tickets online, because if you buy tickets, now I reach finally. See, this is the building, and if you see this one, it's very amazing from front of, if you stand. So it's very nice if you got some features like this, that's whatever you think in your life, and then you're gonna be achieve that one. It's very nice. Now I am going to another one. This one is different. Now I am going KL Tower. KL Tower is also, if you reach here always in Petronas Tower, this one, make sure that you also go in KL Tower. It's very near from there. It's take only, and then you see the front one, the long one, that is Pencil Tower. You see the thick one standing on the front of that one, that is the Pencil Tower. So now I am going in the KL Tower. KL Tower is also the 360 degree. So if you here also the same, if you want to go up, you need to buy the tickets, and then from top you can see the whole of the Malaysia town from on the top. So that is very nice. So please like and share my YouTube channel. I'm a new, and I'm trying to make a little bit give you some updates about the places and how it's look like. So still I am working on it. So but I know I am learning, and if I have some mistakes, please tell me and give me any suggestion, because sometimes I'm starting and then it's gonna be making something mistakes like this. So I'm going now in KL Tower. It's because it's a little bit busy. So guys, this is our KL Tower, and it should look like this. And now it's time to go back again, and as rain started, because the outside was this climate we don't know. Now it's time to drink beer, as the saying. See how happy he was. Hello mister, you see. And then other one is drinking in forward, because he said that he gonna be shy. You see, and he's also very happy. And driver say that he don't want to drink, because if he drink then he can't drive because of the police. So guys, it's time to say you bye. See you.